The rubber strips of your wiper blades wear out over time, causing streaks, chattering, or skipping, which leads to poor visibility. That's when it may be time for a change. Before replacing them, you can try cleaning the blades and glass with a soft cloth, water, and a mild detergent like dish soap, because dirt and debris can affect their performance. Be careful when you raise and lower the wiper arms so you don't damage the blades or glass. And if you have a rear wiper, don't forget to check it too. We'll check your wipers during every free multi-point inspection, and if they need replacement, our factory-trained teams will fit your Subaru with the correct type and size for your vehicle. We're here to help. Make it last.